celebrate National Children's Gardening Week, I've come to this infant school to inspire the next generation of gardeners. Today we're going to be planting some early potatoes, and one of the first things we need to do is take all the weeds out of the raised bed. We're going to be using different tools to do that, but basically we're just going to break up the soil, remove the weeds, and then we've got a nice clean bed ready to plant the potatoes in. Now we've removed all the weeds, we're going to plant the potatoes, and they want to be put in around 10 centimetres deep. We've forked over this amazing soil in which we've incorporated some compost so it's lovely, light and fluffy, and got plenty of nutrients for the new potatoes to grow. We're planting pre-chittered first early potatoes, and that way the children will be able to harvest them and enjoy them before they break up for the summer holidays.
We're going to bury it in the soil over there, but we're going to make a big hole to put it in.
And the shoots are going to come from the top or the bottom?
Top.
Excellent. Do you want to plant it?
Yeah.
Off you go. And when you've buried them, you need to water them well, and don't forget to water them when it's dry. And that's all there is to it. I hope you managed to get outside with your children for National Children's Gardening Week.